This is a momentum question from the old AS1 on Jun2007, and this is question 4a. Define the impulse of a force. So this has come up many times before. Impulse is a force acting multiplied by the length of time it acts for. A variable force acts in a body. The way that the force acts is shown in figure 4.1, and so you can see a little graph there. Now I've drawn over the top of it. It is curved here, rounded at the top and curved again. It says estimate the impulse of this force. So the impulse of the force is the area under the graph, and what I did here was I drew on top of the graph to make it into a right angle. Sorry, I mean a triangle, not a right angle, a triangle. And then I estimated half the base, but the height was approximately half of 1.5 multiplied by a height of 4. And this is the calculation I did. 1.5 times 4, which is 3 Newton seconds, and that's the answer at the bottom here. They have allowed you an answer between 2.8 and 3.2 Newton seconds there. Part B. When jumping off a wall, you reduce the risk of injury to your legs on landing if you bend your knees on impact with the ground rather than keeping your legs stiff. In terms of impulse and momentum, explain why this is so. And of course, the reason is if you bend your legs, you're lengthening the time that the force is acting on you. And the whole idea is that because you're going from a speed of whatever you hit the ground with to a speed of 0, then the change in momentum has to be constant no matter what you do with your legs. So no matter what way your legs are, the change in momentum has to be the same. And so then the change in momentum is just going to be mu because the final velocity ends up as 0. But Ft equals mv minus mu. So Ft is impulse, and that's equal to the change in momentum. And that has to give you the same change in momentum no matter what way you do it. So you can either do it with a very short time and a large force acting on you, or what you do when you bend your legs, the length of time coming to rest is longer. And therefore, since F equals now mu over t, if t is longer, then F is less, and you have less chance of injury to yourself.